So here you have this story. The IMA has released a statement on the end of pandemic remark. Remember, the health minister said this morning that we are in the end game of COVID. So the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, has released that statement, and they are saying that it's painful to note the discussion on endemic versus pandemic. So this is a statement that's coming in from the Indian Medical Association on a statement that the health minister made earlier this morning. So the IMA is telling the government, let us not boast or trumpet ourselves. So IMA clearly going against what the government has said, and they are saying that exercise restraint, let's not jump the gun. This is the remark that the health minister made on the end game earlier this morning. Now the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, now responding to it. Let's go across to Sukirti Dwivedi for more on this. Sukirti, what is the IMA saying?
Well, yes, this is a strong statement that has come from the Indian Medical Association, even though they do not name the Delhi Health Minister, Mr. Satyendar Jain, or the Union Health Minister, Dr. Vardhan, in their statement. But it is very clear because they are referring to the political statements that have been made about the status of the disease. It says it is painful to note the discussion on endemic versus pandemic that has been going on in the political corridors. Something like this has to be substantiated by either the World Health Organization or a body like Indian Council of Medical Research. Then it goes on to say, let us not boast or trumpet ourselves and lower our guard against the precautions that we've been taking against coronavirus. Then it says that unauthorized political statements shall invoke false sense of security, which is reflecting upon the kind of public messaging that will be created because of statements like these by political leaders. And then it says that Indian Medical Association has lost over 700 of its frontline workers to this virus. And as a body, we now urge to the common man of India, to the citizens of India, that please continue wearing your mask, continue the social distancing and all hygiene measures taking, and also please get yourselves vaccinated. So this is important. With the heading, in the heading, it also says we urge the government not to lower the guard against the disease. So a very crucial statement coming from India's top medical body, which has over 3 lakh doctors from across the country, at a time when we had been seeing statements from ministers from both the Delhi level to the central level saying that we were near the end of the pandemic, and now IMA urging people to continue all precautions.
All right, Sukirti Dwivedi, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details. So IMA releasing this statement on the political statements that are being made on the COVID pandemic.